My first article was about Ghost, a blogging platform. Ghost was released in 2013, and when it was released, I decided to give it a try. I downloaded and installed Ghost on my local computer, and it was very simple and easy to use blogging tool. So I decided to write a review of Ghost. Here you can see my review article at ewebdesign.com. This article was published in October 2013. And I was paid $50 for this article. So if you want to make money writing articles online, you just need to share your knowledge and experience. And you can also write review articles. I am interested in web design, development and blogging. So I share my experience about web design and development tools. But you can share your experience about anything. If you are interested in web design, you can share your experience. If you are planning to start a blog, or if you have recently started your own blog, you can share your own experience about blogging. Or you can share a list of your favorite blogging tools. In my next video, I will show you how I made $200 after writing a tutorial about Ghost. After writing this review article, I also wrote a tutorial how to install Ghost, and I was paid $200 for the tutorial.